A little bump in the concrete.
You want to talk about?
Little bump in the concrete. Are we recording? Hey, sun in your eyes. Sorry about that. Okay, what are we doing? We are trying to put in rafter tails. All right, so here's what we got going. So you saw us making these. We got 2x with a 7/16 inch sandwich so that the bottom side of the 2x that's on the side of the wall, like over there, flushes up with the bottom side so that our soffit will lay flush. Then we got the 8-inch screws that are going through there into that 2x on the outside. That's just to kind of hold it solid and make the 2x on the side of the wall tight up against there. It takes out any variation in our concrete, and then we actually screw that back to the wall. We unscrew it from the wall because we had, right down here, we had a little bit of a hump in where the concrete was compared to the outside wall. And so we had to try to take that hump out. Down here, all of these are actually lined up on our joist. So our joist runs this way. These stack on top of them, have 2 screws down inside there into the joist. Out here, the joist is running this way. So that's on the outside wall. And then this has a joist right here. And then we're gonna take a Tapcon right where that is. They're not here yet. We're ordering some longer Tapcons, and we're gonna Tapcon into the actual concrete wall because there's nothing besides that 2x4 holding that the outside edge of that. So that's what we're doing. We got our string line to tell us where our joist is so that we hit it with those screws. So I'll hand you back to Carrie. Oh, excuse me. Okay, here we go. Ooh, pencil party screw. Here. Sweet like party. Next, shake its hips. Okay, so these are the rafter tails, and We need the piece of OSB in between these. These are just ripped pieces of 7/16 OSB, which is the same as the sheathing up there, so that when we stack this and put it over the edge, we will have the 5.5 of the 2x6 sitting on top of the wall. This will take up the sheathing that is sitting up there, and then this will flush out with the 2x4 on the edge of the wall, so that our soffit will have a flat place to screw to from the edge of the wall out the rafter tails. And then we'll put at this point, I think we're doing a 2x12. 2x12 will be on here, going all the way around the house as our fascia. So that's what we're doing. Oh, dang it. And we're gluing and then screwing these so that they'll be nice and strong. So when I toenail these, I found it easier to get everything started. If you set the screw going in the reverse direction and burn a little pilot hole just to get it started and angled over to where it will kind of make its own great pocket jig. I didn't do that one enough and it's causing it to bulge out. It'll all be hidden. That's why we're using up the scrap 2x4s, because it'll all be hidden inside the structure of the overhang. Have standing seam on top and soffit on bottom. There you go, that one worked better. Of course.
It doesn't matter. $55.5, right?
423 5/8. We are 33 and a quarter.
What happened to the?
What happened to 39?
Huh?
What happened to 33?
What happened to 33? We moved this guy over because we missed the center, remember? We could be off just that 1/4 inch in our pocket. In our pocket. Because we just put it up next to the edge of the pocket.
What's that?
That's 33 and 3/8.